We love talking about our latest stationery, but आज हम बात करने वाले हैं on a very basic topic, which is 6 stationery essentials which everybody must own. Do let me know if I miss anything, and before we head towards the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video. So पहला is the ballpoint pen, which I think is the basic stationery essential in anybody's stationery collection. And ballpoint pen की खास बात ये है कि after writing इसकी ink dries very quickly. And because this ink dries very quickly, it is very suitable for lefties. Second on the list are the gel pens. You will hardly see a stationery addict जिसके पास gel pens नहीं होंगे, because gel pens की खास बात यह है कि इनकी ink is very smooth and gives a very flawless writing experience to anybody. And also it also gives a nostalgic touch क्योंकि gel pen is the first pen जिससे a kid starts his or her writing journey. So yeah, gel pens are special. Then we will talk about highlighters, and obviously highlighters are very important in everybody's life, चाहे वो student हो, office going person हो, या फिर a person who loves reading books, because highlighter से we can highlight our important notes and फिर दोबारा उस text को refer करने की need नहीं होती है, because we have already highlighted our important stuff. It saves our time. And I personally love dual tip highlighters by Sunstar, and also the square tip highlighters, because dual tip se I can write with the fine tip and highlight with the chisel tip, and with the square dot pen markers I can make patterns. So yeah, it is very fun. Then we will talk about mechanical pencils. If you ever use a mechanical pencil, you will never switch back to the other pencil, traditional pencil जिसको sharp करना पड़ता है, then उसका dust collect करना पड़ता है. That just makes your work very messy. But with a mechanical pencil, you just have to push the cap, and side से you get the pencil nib जिसको sharp भी नहीं करना पड़ता. And mechanical pencil just makes your work very tidy. It is refillable, तो ज़्यादा wastage भी नहीं होगा, very cost friendly. So yeah, mechanical pencils are very efficient, cost friendly and very easy to use. Then we have these multicolor pens. In a case you want to write in different colors, but आपको 3 से 4 अलग-अलग pens carry नहीं करने हैं, तो you just get a multicolor pen. इस सिंगल पेन में आपको 3 से 4 अलग-अलग कलरफुल इंक्स मिल जाएंगी, and you just have to push just your desired colored pen and you can start writing. It is very cost effective because एक ही पेन में आपको 4 ink colors मिल रहे हैं. So what is better than that? So lastly we will talk about a notebook. I mean, why to buy so many pens and highlighters when you have nothing to write on? And I personally prefer a small pocket friendly notebook, because फिर इससे I don't have to carry multiple notebooks या फिर एक भारी notebook. And whenever I want to write something important, I just take it out. And it is very portable. मैं इसको कहीं भी carry कर लेती हूँ. So yeah, it is a very must essential in your stationery collection. That's all for today, and in case I missed anything, do comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will meet in the next video.